Hello Inventor, so I'm working on this amazing password manager app. So as you can see here, this is the very simple screen, and as you can see here, password and enter the tag. And here is three buttons. One button is for click here to generate password. This button can generate the password for us. This can generate the hard password. Okay. Now second button is save password. You can save that password. Okay. Suppose I have generated one password. So let's click here to generate password. See, this is the password. You can generate multiple password like this, like this, right? So let's try to use this password. Okay, now this is for my Facebook password, suppose. So how I can remember this? So as you can see here, enter the tag. So click on the tag and just say fv1. Okay, you should remember that name. Okay, fv1. You don't need to remember the password here. Okay, now let's click on the save password button. Okay, now let's click on this. Done. Now let's generate the password for Insta also. So click on generate. This is for Insta, and just click on save password. Now if you want to get the Facebook password, so how can I do this? So as you can see in the tag, so we know that fv1 is our Facebook password tag, and now click on the get password. As you can see, this is the password, right, that you have saved. Now if you want to get the Instagram password, so you can just get from Insta and just click on the get password. See, this is the Insta password, right? So that's the amazing app we will create using MIT App Inventor. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and if you need any feature in this app, so just comment on the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.